How to add captions on CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add caption or subtitles to your videos in CapCut PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your PC. And here, once you're inside the CapCut app, simply click on Create Project, and after that on the next page just click on import, and after that simply select the video that you want to import and add the captions to. Now here, once you have added the video, what you can do is simply hold and drag that video to the main timeline. And here, once you're done adding it to the main timeline, what you can do is just click on the text tab, which can be seen at the top. So here, simply click on it, and after that you can simply click on the default text, and here you can simply write or add the subtitle you like, or if you don't want to do it manually, you can also do it directly by going to the caption button right here, and from here you can simply click on generate. And here, once you do that, CapCut will generate a subtitle for your videos using the AI speech recognition. And here, once you have added the subtitle to your video, what you can do is simply edit it and make it sync with your video. And here, once you're done with that, what you can do is simply click on export to export your videos. And here from the pop-up menu, just click on export, and after that your videos will be exported. And that's it. That's how you can add captions to your videos in CapCut PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.